بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Working in a bank uh, which is interest based is not lawful in Islam. So our brothers and sisters living in countries like USA, Europe, Canada and Australia and New Zealand, they should seek other jobs which are free from haram things. But if they are new immigrants and if they don't have any means to live and survive, for an initial period they can be given concession and they can ask forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah might forgive them as long as they consider riba and interest to be haram and they have full intention to change their job as soon as a halal alternative is made available to them. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.